Hello and welcome back to another week in my studio. This week we're making bookmarks, packing orders and creating a custom logo design. This week's featured animal is the barn owl. We will make some bookmarks with some barn owls by using the original bookmark set as a template. This ensures that they match in width and height. Owls have large eyes, which can be daunting for an artist who primarily draws dot eyes. These owls were drawn from photo references. Each owl will be perched upon different structures and shall be accompanied by a hilarious and creative phonetic play on the word owl. Using the 6B pencil for both the sketch and the line art, as well as a simple color palette painted using the flat brush. As with creating stickers, the monoline brush is used to create the cut line. The first round of test prints shows more clearly what needs adjusting. As this cardstock is made of agricultural waste and is a beige color, the printed design needs extra saturation to contrast well from the background. Perhaps a decorative border around the text will complete the design, and of course the painful process of aligning the design on the back with that of the front. owls have a distinctive heart-shaped face, which helps funnels sound directly to their ears. This helps them in locating prey in complete darkness. Barn owls are one of the most widely distributed bird species, found on every continent except Antarctica. Their feathers are designed to reduce noise when flying, helping them to sneak up on prey below. An older piece was recreated. It was a fun little reminder to practice and understand my preference when it comes to stylization or realism. Another task was to test out the new recycled sticker paper. They have a nice light color and seemed like a nice alternative. Unfortunately, this sticker paper is actually for use as labels, and so they have long pre-cut lines on the backing sheet. Whilst this was unexpected, the actual stickers are unaffected. Perhaps with the correct cut settings, they may still be a viable additional option for customers. For now, comparing the quality of this recycled paper to the original sticker paper, the colors appear slightly duller and the paper color is not as white. However, considering the recycled aspects, the stickers still look great. In the future weeks, I hope to experiment more on cut settings and hopefully look into adding this paper as an option. I also worked on a custom logo design for the Batter House. They are a business that sells and sends frozen confections to customers. Customers can then bake these in their own oven at home. The client requested blue and silver tones and offered some words for possible imagery for the icon. They requested to steer away from the typical bowl and whisk logo design, suggesting a snowflake symbol to represent the frozen element. After some initial sketches, a few concepts were chosen and recreated in Procreate. Initially, I considered blending the business name into the icon or the imagery. However, a simple icon separate from the text was chosen. The designs were then vectorized in Adobe Illustrator, where I added the business name, chose fonts, and selected some colors. These designs are then added to my presentation template and sent to the client. The hope is to provide 3 options that are all worthy of potentially being chosen, and it's always exciting to see which design the client selects. Which one would you choose? My client chose this one. Congratulations! Thanks for watching, see you next time.